Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well and you are watching Hypertic Science channel. And before we starting this video, I request you to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon and forward to your family and friends because we need your support, guys. Because we have recently initiated this channel and we need your support so that we can push our boundaries and we can push ourselves to make as much as video as possible. And obviously we are not only generating the video for the IT learning, we are also generating the videos for the business growth as well. And this video is especially for the one who are initiating their businesses, or if someone is pass out from the university or school and he is trying to find out the job. So on single click you can send tons of your CV to the tons of emails. And obviously you can grab the good business from the market as well, because if you are the businessman, you need email contacts. If you are the student, you need email contacts so that you can achieve your goal. So this video is very important video, is basically regarding the email extraction or data scrapping. So let's start the video. I will make one more video in the upcoming days, and that video is basically will be regarding the free email campaign tool. Yes, it's not a joke, definitely will bring that video, and through that tool you can send a lot of emails on single click, definitely. So we will definitely create that video for you guys as well. But before creating that video, email extraction is more important part, because if you don't have the emails, you cannot send your emails irrespective of that how much powerful tool you have. So let's start the video. So email extraction is very simple. And first of all, in order to scrap the emails or extract the emails, you need to click onto the three dots, click onto the settings, and now you have to click onto the extensions. Once you click onto the extension, you have to type here, not type here, just you click onto the Chrome web share. You will be inside the Chrome store, and once you there, type the email extractor. Once you click the email extractor, click on it, add the Chrome extension. Once the Chrome extension is added, now it's done. It's very simple, there is no rocket science. So it's done. And now we have to search tons of emails. So I think guys you are ready, I am also ready, let's start. So there is a little technique that we will use our very simple script, because searching style will be different in that case. So let's say you are a person who is starting the pharmaceutical business. So we are targeting the hospitals or doctors so that we can sell our medicines. So let's say type, first of all you have to type country USA, then region or state New York, space, then hospitals, space, then email addresses of CEO, then you have to click add sign at gmail.com. Means we need tons of emails who are using the at Gmail, and that guys should be CEO of the medical company. Similarly, after finding that results, you can also search for Hotmail or any company domain. You will get a lot of the emails. Means on single search you will get tons of emails, no problem. So gmail.com, then hit enter. Now you can see that we have some results, but we are restricted because this tool will read the data or scrap data page wise. So means you have to click one by one. But here is a trick, please watch clearly and carefully. Here is a trick. What we have to do, because Google has launched a new policy to avoid uh, some problems. So you have to do one trick over here. Click on it, Going to the last line, then you have to sign add num equals to 100. See the magic. Now we have tons and tons and tons of data. Now we will fetch the emails. See, you can also type 200, you can also type 300 over there on single page. There's all, you will get a lot of data. Let's see the magic. See, on single click we have tons of emails, means within 30 minutes you can extract thousands of emails. Now you can copy and paste your emails where you want. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching video. Very soon we will meet again on the next video. I hope this video is very useful for you guys. Please forward to your family and friends, subscribe our channel, and very soon we will come up with the free email marketing tool. Please subscribe our channel so that you cannot miss our any video, because every video is important. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.